In today's video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to reset all totals and counters on the SES3000 register. First thing to do is to turn the key round to off and then press and hold down receipt feed. Turn the key to PGM, release receipt feed. You now need to type in the number 8 10 times. And then press the VAT button here. You wait for what seems like eternity. Then you wait a bit longer. Once the receipt's printed out, you can turn the key back to reg and start using the till from zero. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk and subscribe to the Casio Help YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.